Hey, what's going on, family? We are only 6 days away for the next 5-day challenge for ILCA. Can you imagine and believe that we've already been here for 2 years, 2 years strong, going out there, educating the community, teaching you about Bitcoin and blockchain technology. And this year, 2024, is a very, very pivotal year in blockchain's history. We just got the Bitcoin ETFs approved. This is the year of the Bitcoin halving. And we've already got projections of Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high this year from anywhere from $70,000 to $150,000 a coin. So if you're still out there, you have no idea what Bitcoin is, or you might be a seasoned veteran that you do know, but you still don't know what to do or how to really take advantage of this space, then this is what the 5-day challenge is designed to do. A week from yesterday, March 26th, in honor of Black History Month, we're going to be doing a all Morehouse panelists guests, and so that you can come and enjoy learning some new information. I've got 3 new courses. You know, when I first started ILCA, I only had 3 courses: Bitcoin 101, Crypto Advanced, how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, a total of 45 lessons. Now we've got 10 courses or more than 150 videos that you can pause and stop and stream and watch it at your own convenience. Now, in our 5-day challenge, we want to invite you to be a VIP member because it is free. You know, all you have to do is go to ilcachallenge.com, ilcachallenge.com again, and I will actually show you that. That is just ilcachallenge.com and register. February 26th to March 1st from 9 p.m. Eastern to 6 p.m. 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific every night. You'll be able to participate, and we're going to be covering a different lesson each night, including some of my new courses from Web 3.0, tokenization, and artificial intelligence. And once you register, all you have to do is sign up and register. You're going to receive an email invite to our private Facebook group where this will be streamed live at no cost. But we also want to invite you to be a VIP member. A VIP member is able to, after the lesson, we stop the live stream in the Facebook group, and we then will go into Q&A. So people say, Brandon, why do I need your courses? I'll just go to YouTube. Well, you can't ask YouTube questions, but you'll be able to ask myself and our panelists and the rest of our community questions. And there's no such thing as a stupid question. So get your questions answered from us, but there is a cost to be a part of that, and that is a one-time cost of $97. Here's the good news about that, though. We do this 5-day challenge once a month for the rest of the year. When you pay for the VIP for $97, you will be a VIP member for the rest of the year on every 5-day challenge till the end of the year. One-time cost of $97. But guess what else we have available? For $2 more, you can enjoy not only being a VIP member of the 5-day challenge, but you will also be a student of ILCA, where you're going to get inner circle access, where 4 days, actually 5 days a week, I do crypto talk in the morning. And we cover the latest crypto news, crypto projects. We are currently trading. We look at the exchanges. We look at the wallets. I open up my wallets. I do live trading in front of you. That stuff is priceless. I charge $250 an hour just for my time. But for the inner circle, you're getting this 5 days a week for about an hour to an hour and a half each of my time and learning. This is our community. You also get our diamond class twice a night during the week, or twice a week at nighttime. I do a diamond class where I'm taking one of our lessons and I am covering it live in front of you. So you're not just watching the video, but after the lesson, just like the 5-day challenge VIPs, you'll be able to ask me questions about the lessons and anything else we have going on there. And then even more, 150 videos covering 10 courses you'll have access to for the next 30 days from you signing up. So you can do the VIP one time $97 and have VIP access for the rest of the year, or for $2 more, You get the ILCA student, $99.97, and you're going to get everything. We also have the all-in package, which includes the inner circle, all courses, VIP membership. You'll be able to be a promoter, an affiliate of ILCA. We pay out 20% affiliate payout, ILCA digital business cards, sales funnel, 20% off our apparel store, 10% off upcoming events, entire marketing platform. There's 2 classes a week on top of everything that I'm doing as well. And for those of you that's in the Starvara, we'll be creating Starvara marketing assets. That's all for $199. So we've got a great plan in place for you guys here. Everything for you to learn and take part in. And we're 6 days away. So get back with myself if you need to see the websites again, ilcachallenge.com. You can see the links also in the comments of this video or the description of this video as well. I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Let's get ready. And guess what? I'm already planning the next 5-day challenge for the month of March. It's going to be themed about the Bitcoin halving. And that's what's going to be our theme for the rest of this year. But you got to sign up. You got to get plugged in. That is it. Take care, everybody. Brandon Ivey out. Bye-bye.